Chandigarh is an architectural beauty. Chandigarh has its own personality. It has its uniqueness in this way. Its culture.
That way I find Chandigarh is a definitely lovable place.
It appeared to all of us to be the best place, and therefore we decided to move.
We prefer to stay here because it is very clean and tidy. People of this place are very courteous. They are educated, well educated.
Qualities are still much better than the other congested, even big cities like Delhi and Bombay. Like big hospitals, big educational institutions, big universities.
Even gardens, people can enjoy morning walk. In every sector there are separate gardens.
They enjoy the life here.
A person who comes here, he doesn't want to leave this place. He tries to stay here for the whole of his life.
So that way life here to us is definitely okay, very good. I have no regrets choosing Chandigarh as my place of living.
And we moved in, and when we lived, we used to go out a lot, and city was very different.
The type of life at that time was certainly a very simple life.
Call it a sleeping city.
And now after say more than 50 years, things have changed.
It has been developing, it has been growing. Large number of places have come up.
All the big malls, big places, nightlife. The city is growing very fast.
Our population is growing day by day.
Beyond what it had been planned for.
This burden is definitely disturbing the ecology of this city.
So this is a human nature. This is a course of development.
Traffic has increased so much.
We never used to see too much of traffic. Now there are strange instances of traffic jams also. Public transportation is one of the drawbacks of the city as of now. Parking spaces available in various markets is getting more and more crowded. There is a lot of emphasis on simultaneous growth of infrastructure, but is not able to keep pace.
We are already having scarcity of the light, electricity and water. So it may become worse.
These problems should be overcome and kept in mind. In the next 10 years, I don't visualize a fundamental change.
So it is going to be like any other city.
More sectors and more cities and more buildings come up and high buildings come up, that will disturb
The harmonious atmosphere of this.
The inflow has to be stopped.
They will be improving it in all senses,
Things will definitely improve.
and there is at least a deliberate attempt to continue to attend to these problems, and they will keep on improving it.
Now it is moving on in future on the global lines.
So I would like it to grow into a prominent listing on the entire global screen. People from all over the world are coming here, and it is gradually gaining acceptance all over the world. This city will become more important, continues to be probably the best city.
No place is as good as Chandigarh.
The prominence of the city will increase even more. I am one of those persons who would vote for Chandigarh to retain its unique identification and continue to be as it is.
Status may remain, but the original concept of beautiful city, the city beautiful, should not be disturbed.